The Remedy4 CMDB provides the ability to create an IT asset repository of infrastructure, applications, and configuration data. It can be populated manually through the user interface and the associated forms in Remedy4, or with Remedy4, you can actually automate the population of devices into the CMDB using both agent-based and agentless discovery capabilities that are available. The Remedy4 CMDB also offers dynamic classes. This allows customers to be able to define an instance in the Remedy4 CMDB as an asset, like a mobile device, a CI, like a network access point, or both, like a server, for instance. And you'll see here that dynamic views are made available to support both use cases, both assets, CIs, and those that are classified as both. Now, the Remedy4's console view also provides details related to the individual instances. And you'll see there's a textual list of the CMDB data on the right-hand side, and it provides both powerful search capabilities at the object class as well as the instance level, and also provides complex filtering to allow users to find exactly what they're looking for. The CMDB Explorer that you see here uses all of that data to construct a graphical representation of the configuration items, the assets, and all the related data and dependencies. And this graphical view of the CMDB is made available in our incident module, problem module, change module, release, and task modules in Remedy4. There are multiple out-of-the-box reports as well as dashboards that are available with Remedy4 to show everything from a device summary of the supported devices that exist within the environment, as well as a dashboard that can show how the assets in the environment are actually creating work and creating incidents, problems, etc. within the service desk. And these dashboards not only provide high-level information or summary information, but they also provide deep drill-down capability so users can actually drill into a particular thumbnail on the dashboard to drill down into an individual report, look at the details within the report,